Let's hop back into it. So here is the landing page to my free course. And what people would do that in order to get access to the free course, they're going to click this button right here where I collect their basic information, which is the name, their email address, and a phone number, which is optional. Once they opt in, they're going to get access to the free course. And as you can see, they're going to get all of this value, tons and tons of videos inside this course. But what I want you to see here, inside the course, I have a workbook that they can click, and they can click this workbook. And when they open it up, it's going to bring them to this page where they can go through the course with the actual workbook. And you can see here, I have my link to my Systeme.io here. So if they click this link, sign up, they become a lead. And when they upgrade within the software, I'm going to get the commission. Now, if you want access to the same free course, I'm going to put the link down in the description to where you can use that link, take the free course, and I'm going to show you how to create this entire course for yourself so you can start making the money that I'm making and start making $1,000 with Systeme.io. Now, I want you to understand, when you take part in this free course, you're going to be able to copy my course, which means that you can copy the course as a white label course that you can market as your own. What you can do is put your own affiliate link inside the links within the course. So when you market that same course to your leads, you're going to get paid the commission. And I'm going to give you all of that and show you how to set it up from within the course. Now, if you want access to this exact same funnel, this exact same strategy, and this exact same free course, I'm going to leave a link down below this video that you can click, sign up, put in your email, and it's going to give you instant access to the free course to where you can get started today and start making money using the same methods that I'm using by copying my exact strategy, my funnels, my emails, and everything that I'm doing to make money with Systeme.io and market as your own and start making money online. And just to make sure you don't get confused, inside the free course, you're going to go inside this part where it says partner with Ronnie the Clone and conquer this epic course, and you're going to click the button that says join the 72 income quest, and that's going to take you to where you can copy the entire course and start marketing it as your own. Now, this is not only the same method that I'm using, but also the same method that I'm teaching my students, where I'm showing them, I'm coaching them on how to make the commissions with affiliate marketing, but not just with Systeme.io, but with multiple other affiliate programs. And this strategy is called the Infinite Passive Income Quest, and my entire system and my main core offer is called the Affiliate Income Network System. More information on those things will be inside the course, and you can find more inside the YouTube, the description of this video.